Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Sangeeta Sharma, working as a lecturer in V.H. Patel College of Arts and Science, Villimora in English department. And today I'll be talking about prepositions. So let's begin. So guys, let's see first of all the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. So guys, now let's see list of prepositions. First of all, we will see preposition of time. So number one is at. At generally used to show fixed time. For example, we reached office at 10 o'clock. Second is on. It is used before a day of the week. For example, I will come on Friday. Third is in. It is used before a name of month or season. For example, my college will open in November. Fourth is for. Period of time means if time is not fixed, we use for. For example, I live here for 2 years. Fifth is since. Over a period of time. If time is fixed, date is fixed, day is fixed, we use since. For example, Diganda has been studying in this college since 2006. Six is till. When something begins and when it ends. For example, the film didn't end till 11 o'clock. Now let's see preposition of place. Number one is at. Particular place. So if we talk about particular place, we use at. For example, I am at the office. Second is on. My book is on the table. Third is above. The bridge is above my head. Fourth is over. Example is an umbrella is over me. Fifth is below. Write this letter below this line. Sixth is under. A cow is standing under the tree. Seventh is in. Example is we are in the classroom. But guys, keep in mind that if we are talking about steadiness, if we are steady, then we have to use in. But if we are in motion, we have to use into. So, let's see again example. We are in the classroom and 8 is into. So, if we talk about motion, then we have to use into. For example, I am jumping into the river. Ninth is to. He has gone to school. 10th is from. I come from Navsari. 11th is on. The pen was on the book. 12th is upon. The birds are flying upon my house. 13th is beside. The child sat beside his mother. 14th is in front of. There is a tree in front of my house. 15th is behind. The sun was behind the clouds. Now let's see preposition of direction. In that, through. I am coming through Ahmedabad. Next is across. The shop is across the road. Then towards. The car is coming towards me. And next is away from. Sneha is living away from me. Now guys, we'll see preposition of means or agents. In that, by. The cake was cut by me. Next is with. The tree was chopped with an S. Then by. They came by train. Now let's see other prepositions in that from. Apples come from Kashmir. Then for. My friend bought a gift for me. Next is of. The legs of the chair are broken. Then comes without. Don't go out without mask. Then comes against. Don't go against your parents. Then comes within. It shows limited time. I had to finish my lunch within 5 minutes. Then comes near. My house is near the post office. Then comes besides. Besides laptop, I have tablet too. Then comes between. Billimora is between Valsad and Navsari. Then comes before. Example is, you must finish the work before 5 o'clock. Next is after. Children should not go out after evening. Then comes about. Example is, students were discussing about examination. And last one is during. We will go to Rajkot during vacation. So friends, these were all about prepositions. I hope you will like it. For further information, stay tuned to Sangeeta Sharma. Thank you.